Let's be honest, GoHighLevel's website builder can be pretty shit when trying to design landing pages. Instead of spending hours trying to design it manually, I use Genspark's AI developer to generate a standalone HTML page in under 2 minutes. All I did was copy the code into a GoHighLevel code block and hit publish. In this video, I'll break down every step. Plus, I'll provide you with the prompt I use to create this in a single shot. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to launch beautiful landing pages that get more qualified leads for your clients. So you might have heard of this tool before called perspective.co. Now, what these guys do is funnels, specifically easy to make. You can see right here, they have good tracking, start page, all the questions you're going to ask, and it's really nice. Today, I'm going to be showing you a way that you can recreate this, create better landing pages in GoHighLevel that convert with simple form questionnaires like this. So we're going to be using this tool today called Genspark. If you don't know what Genspark is, it can do a lot of things, right? So it can do slides for PowerPoint, it can do documents, it can do AI developer. Today we're going to be using the AI developer. So we can click on that. And then I'm just going to be choosing a simple website for landing pages. So I went ahead and created this prompt. You can see here your senior conversion copywriter, front-end developer. I'll share it directly with you after this. So you'll be able to just click and download. Here's our audience. So homeowners considering a remodeling contract project. Okay, so I created this prompt. I'll go ahead and share it with you after. Talks about the role, the goal, some of the colors, how we'll be structuring it. And we're just going to let it run. And you'll see just how powerful this is. Now, the goal is we're going to create a really simple quiz. That quiz is going to be targeting contractors. So let's say roofers, home remodelers, anyone doing ADUs, that sort of thing. So you can see right now it's designing the whole site. In a second, we'll have a preview and it's going to be our landing page for our paid ads. So people are going to go here and we're going to qualify them. And if they meet our qualification criteria, then we'll send them to a booking page where they can book in. And between that gap of new lead to book, we are going to use AI to consistently follow up with them and push them towards booking. So there you go, guys. You see it's been generated now. And this is what it came up with. What type of contract work do you do the most? So it's like general remodeling. Where do you want more jobs? Your radius? What's your typical project value? And here we can add some additional logic where based on what they're choosing, right? Like let's say under 3K, we know we definitely can't help them because their project value is too small. So you can go ahead, you can mess around with it. You can see that it made a really nice one. There's frequently asked questions, how it works, some reviews. And then all you have to do is go to File Explorer, click on the code that it generated, and we'll just go ahead and copy it all. And then we can take that code. Then all we're going to do is we're going to start a new page. We are going to add in a custom code. So let's say we're starting this page from scratch. We would hit plus, one column. We're going to add a code node just like that. And you can come in here, just hit open code editor, save, and now we can hit preview and we can see that our funnel has now been added right here. We can start the quiz and test it directly in GoHighLevel. And then when you're ready, you can just come in here and hit publish. So extremely powerful. Another thing that's super crucial about this is the fact that we are using HTML. All of our load times are going to be faster. And when you have leads that are clicking to a landing page, load time is extremely important. And so that's just another benefit. And another cool thing too is if we go back to preview, we have the opportunity to see both mobile, what it looks like, as well as desktop. So you get a full preview in both formats. And you can even hit full open in a new window to see that as well. So hope this helps. If it did, please drop a subscribe. That being said, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.